Good morning, students. So I will solve you the sums of the exercise 6C and you have to do the rest one. So what is the sum here? First see, Jack and Jill stand on the same tile of a tile floor. Jack starts jumping to every third tile in a row and Jill starts jumping to every second tile in a row. Which is the first tile on which both land? If you have seen the first video when I started LCM, you have seen a table like this. I said here they are Ram and Sam. So but here Jack and Jill. So suppose this is the floor table. I mean not it is the floor table, actually it is the row of the table, and in this row or through this row Jack and Jill jumps. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so now see, suppose it is given that Jack and Jill stand on the same tile of a tile floor. So we consider Jack and Jill stand at the 0 tile. Suppose this is Jack and this is Jill. Okay, Jack and Jill. Okay. So now this side, I mean this is Jack and this is Jill. This is Jill. So this side Jack, this side Jill. Okay. Now see what is given. Jack starts jumping to every third tile. That means when Jack jumps, it moves to the third tile. He moves to the third tile. So for the first jump, Jack move. This is first tile, second tile, third tile. So after first jump, he reaches here. Okay. For the next jump, he reaches 1, 2, 3 again. Next here. For the next jump, he reaches 1, 2, 3 here. Every third tile, he jumps to every third tile. Next 1, 2, 3 here, and so on. Okay, but Jill starts jumping to every second tile in a row. Jill starts jumping every second tile in a row. So that means Jill first move 1, 2. This is second tile, so here first. Next again 2, 1, 2. So that means here. Next 1, 2. That means here. Next 1, 2. That means here. Next here. Next here. So like this. So this is the Jack's way and this is Jill's way. Okay, but see, when they first meet, from the picture we have seen Jack and Jill meet first at point 6 or on the sixth tile. Okay, now see, for the Jack 3, 6, 9, 12, these are the multiples of Jack. These are the multiples of Jack. 3, 6, 9, 12. That means Jack, these are the multiple of 3 because Jack jumps third tile for the first time you jump, or for every jump he reaches to third tile. So these all are the multiple of 3. That means first 3, next 6, next 9, because he moves third in each and every jump. So that's why these all are the multiple of 3. Understand? But for the Jill, he moves or he jumps second tile to each and every jump. So that means these all are the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. Okay, in this way. So these are the multiple of 2, these are the multiple of 3. But you see where they first meet. From here we can see they first meet at point 6. That means on the sixth tile. So actually it is the common multiple of 2 and 3 or 3 or 2. That means it is the smallest common multiple of 2 and 3. Again see, they reaches at they meet at point 12. They meet at point 12. But here we have to find which is the first tile on which both land. So that means first tile means smallest number. So we have to find the smallest common multiple. That means lowest common multiple. That means we have to find here the LCM of 2 and 3. Understand why we find LCM here? Okay. So here we can write here we have to find the LCM of 3 and 2. So this is the multiplication table of 3, this is the multiplication table of 2. So by inspection or with the help of multiplication table, whatever you say, by inspection we get LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we can say they land on sixth tile. They land on sixth tile for the first time. They both land on the sixth tile for the first time, or they meet sixth tile for the first time. Understand why we find here LCM? Because they are moving and they meet by certain distance or within interval, and the interval must be the multiples or common multiples, but here we have to find the first meet, that means lowest common multiple. That's why I have calculated LCM here. Okay, because they reaches Jack moves third, next 6, so these all are the multiple of 3, and Jill reaches first 2, then 4, then 6, so these all are the multiple of 2. So when they meet together means common and multiple. Here we find multiple of 2 and 3, so common multiple, but here we have to find the first multiple, that means the smallest or lowest multiple. So here we have to find the LCM. Okay, thank you. So follow the next sum. The alarms on 2 mobile phones ring together once. So for the first time ring together once. So suppose for the first this is the first mobile and this is the second mobile. See, for the first mobile one rings every 15 minutes. That means first, suppose for the first time when they ring together, we say that time is 0. We can consider it. Okay, so one ring every 15 minutes. That means for first 15 minutes, next 30 minutes, next 45 minutes, next 60 minutes, next 75 minutes, next 90 minutes, and so on. Okay, this is for the first time. That means when they ring together once, that time is 0, but first mobile rings for each and every 15 minutes. So first 15 minutes ring, then ring again for again after 15 minutes. That means 50 plus 50 30. Again after 30 minutes, after 15 minutes, that means 30 plus 15 is equal to 45. Similarly, in this way, these are the minutes when they ring. And for the second one, 25, next 50, next 75, next 100, next 125, next 150, and so on. So now see what is the common time here. First 0 is the common time, that means they ring together once. So after which time they ring together again, so that must be their common time. Common means together, so common, and see, these are the multiple of 15s. These are the multiple of 15. That means first they ring, first mobile ring after 15 minutes, then again 15 minutes, then again after 15 minutes, then again after 15 minutes. That means these all are the multiples of 15. These all are the multiples of 15. Understand why? Because first mobile rings to each and every 15 minutes, after each and every 15 minutes. So all are the multiple of 15. Okay. Next, second one rings after each 25 minutes. So all these are the multiple of 25. Okay, these all are the multiple of 25. So first there, when the ring, we consider ring together, we consider it as 0. Now see, these are the minutes. At which minute that is common, which minute is the common, if we want to find, then we will get the result from this. Actually these are the multiplication table. So from the multiplication table we can see at 75 minutes first mobile ring, also second mobile ring. So here answer must be 75. So this is by inspection, not with the help of multiplication table. Okay, but here you have to find what? LCM, because when they meet together, that means common. And why we find here LCM? Because you see, these all are the multiples of 15 and these all are the multiples of 25. So we have to find the common multiple. Okay, and when they meet for the first time, so that means you have to find here smallest, or the first time when they ring together again. So that means you have to find the lowest common multiple, or LCM here. Okay, so from the multiplication table we can say at 75 minutes or after 75 minutes. Okay, and you can also do it with the help of prime factorization. So you can say here we have to find LCM of 15 and 25. So find the LCM 15 and 25. 3, 5 and 25 means 5 into 5. So 15 is equals to 3 into 5. 25 is equals to 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 and 3. So as the LCM is equals to 3 into 5 into 5 is equals to 75. So when they will ring together, so after 75 minutes they will ring together again. 75 minutes. This is the result. So understand why we find here LCM. Okay, because you have to find when they meet again together. Together means common. And why we find here LCM? Together means common. But what we find here? Multiple, common multiple. Why we find here multiple? Because they ring after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, for the first mobile they ring after 15 minutes, each and every 15 minutes. That means these all are the multiples of 15. That means at the multiples first mobile ring, at the multiples of 15 first mobile rings, and at the multiples of 25 second mobile rings. That means for the first mobile rings at 8 am, next 8:15 am, next 8:30 am, next 8:45 am. So in this way it will go on. Okay, and for the second, first at 8 am, next 8:25 am, next 8:50 am. So in this way it will go on. Okay, so these all are the multiples of 25, and those are and for the 15 these all are the multiples of 15. So here we have find the multiple, and if we want to find when they meet again, we have to find the common multiple. So that means here we have to find here LCM of 15 and 25 easily. Okay, so if you find here we will get 75. So we can say after 75 minutes they will ring together again. Okay, thank you. So your homework is only sum number 4. Okay, so thank you students.